Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja. In today's video I'm going to walk you through this beautiful, simple and wearable look which is super easy to recreate. So I've kept my base dewy and used a generous amount of blush for flushed pink cheeks and a fresh look. If you're seeing me for the first time, then please don't forget to follow me. So without any further ado, let's get started. For priming my eyes, I'm using Maybelline's Age Divine Concealer and I'm gonna blend it out with my red beauty sponge. Today I'm using a tape as a guideline in order to draw a sharp wing liner. Now I'm using my NYX contour palette and I'm taking that second shade as my transition shade. I'm applying it all the way till my inner corners. The palette is broken because I absolutely love the shades in it and I have used it quite a lot of times. You can see that I have hit the pan for a couple of shades as well. For drawing the wing eyeliner, I'm taking my favorite Maybelline gel liner in black. Since I'm going a little basic with my eyeshadow, I made a bold eyeliner. You can draw a thin wing liner or no wing basic liner. Actually, you can draw any liner as per your preference and you're good to go. That's it for the eyes. We're not gonna do anything extra today. I'm gonna prime my face, and for that, I'm using Master Prime from Maybelline and apply it all over my face. For foundation, I'm using PAC Liquid HD Foundation. I'm applying this foundation from the pump tube because it's almost over. That's how much I love this formula that I don't want to waste even a single drop. For blending the foundation in place, I'm taking the same wet beauty sponge. And I suggest you spend a good amount of time in blending the foundation. For my concealer today, I'm taking Maybelline's Age Divine Concealer. I'm applying it under my eyes and all the usual areas. For that extra flush on the cheeks, I'm going with this tint from the Face Shop, although I'm gonna top it with a powder blush later. To set everything, I'm using MAC Studio Fix Compact. I'm gonna first apply it under my eyes and then to the other concealed areas. And today I'm not applying the powder to the rest of my face. I'm using K Beauty eyeshadow stick in the shade Navigator in my lower lash line and blending it with the same brown shade to create some diffusion. And while I'm doing that, please ignore the weird faces I make. Moving on to the mascara, I'm using Colossal Black Mascara from Maybelline. You want to make sure you coat both upper and bottom lashes with mascara. At this point, if you wish, you can put on a pair of false lashes. I didn't because I want my liner to be the star of the show. Coming to eyebrows, I'm gonna brush them in place with the help of a spoolie. For defining my brows, I'm gonna be using Wet n Wild Eyebrow Definer. This eyebrow pen is light to medium in coverage, so it is really good for beginners. Also, the tip of the pen is angled, which makes it easier to carve out your brows. For my blush, I'm using MAC Powder Blush in Desert Rose. This is a beautiful color and I have applied it more than usual to get the intended look. For bronzing my face, I'm using the same NYX Pro palette which I used for my eyes. I'm applying it under my cheekbones, holding the brush with a very light hand. I'll also bronze my forehead and contour my nose. You're gonna avoid this step if you don't have heavy cheeks like me. For my highlighter, I'm gonna be using Maybelline's Master Chrome and I'm applying it a little lesser than I normally would. You know how much we guys love highlighter. But for today's look, I am gonna keep it minimal just for a little grow from within kind of look. For the lipstick, you can choose any of your favorites. You can use any lip shade with this look. Today I'll be mixing two shades to get a customized color. First I'm using MAC Meher and applying it on my lips. Then I'm topping it with Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat to get the desired shade. To complete the makeup, I'm gonna be using Prep Plus Prime from MAC in the shade Gold Light. This will help in locking up everything. Here I complete the look. I hope you learned how to get this makeup look. Do recreate this look and let me know in comments how you found it. You can also leave your makeup requests and suggestions in comments. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.